Hello students, welcome to your English literature class. Students, today we are going to study John Milton's literary career and his writing phases, which is a very important topic for the UP TGT English exam. In this lecture, we will cover Milton's literary career, early versus later works, three phases of Milton writing. So let's begin. Literary career of John Milton. John Milton was one of the greatest poets in English literature. Milton was a Puritan, a scholar, a political thinker. He wrote both poetry and political prose. Milton became blind in his later life, yet he continued to produce his greatest literary works. His literary career is divided into three phases: early phase, middle phase, late phase. Early phase, time period 1625 to 1640. This phase is known for lyrical and pastoral elegy. Major works of this period: allegro 1631, Penseroso 1631, Comus 1634, Lycidas 1637. Features of early poetry: full of youthful energy, rich imagination, strong musical quality, beautiful nature description. Allegro versus Penseroso. These are companion poems representing two contrasting moods of life. During this phase, time period 1640 to 1660. During this period, Milton stopped writing poetry and focused on political prose. Important prose work of this period: Areopagitica 1644, the tenure of kings and magistrates. Feature of middle phase: focus on politics, defense of freedom of speech, support for Puritan ideology. Milton supported Oliver Cromwell and the Commonwealth government. Late phase, time period 1660 to 1674. This is considered the most important phase of Milton's literary career. During this phase, he was blind, politically defeated, but spiritually strong. Major works of this period: epic masterpieces: Paradise Lost 1667, Paradise Regained 1671, Samson Agonistes 1671. Paradise Lost, an epic poem based on a biblical story. Central theme: the fall of man. Focus: opening line: man's first disobedience. Feature of late phase: deep philosophical thought, strong religious theme, grand and elevated style, use of blank verse. Early phase, poetry of joy and nature. Middle phase, political prose. Late phase, epic masterpiece. Milton is known as the last greatest poet of Renaissance and the first great poet of Puritan age. Three phases of Milton's: allegro versus Penseroso, political prose, Paradise Lost. Friends, if you found this lecture helpful, like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel for more English literature lectures. Thanks for watching.